Good morning, everyone. My name is Simon. Today we're going to begin a fantastic journey into the mathematical world of multiplication tables. Let's start by tackling those terrible 2's. Simon says. Repeat after me. 2 times 1 equals 2. 2 times 1 equals 2. 2 times 1 equals 2. Simon says. You're doing terrific. Let's keep going. 2 times 2 equals 4. 2 times 2 equals 4. 2 times 2 equals 4. Who would like to join me in learning the multiplication tables? I see. David, Liliana, Michael, and Elizabeth.
Hi, I'm Elizabeth. I would love to learn with you.
Great to see you again, Elizabeth. Let's go to the county fair. I heard there were lots of fun things to multiply there.
Okay, Simple Simon. What should we count first, at this fabulous county fair?
Those balloons floating up into the sky. They look like an awesome challenge. What do you think, Elizabeth?
Okay. I'll go first. 2 times 3 equals 6.
2 times 3 equals 6.
2 times 3 equals 6.
Great job, Elizabeth. Say, you're really getting the hang of this.
2 times 4 equals
8. 2 times 4 equals 8. 2 times 4 equals 8. Well, Elizabeth, I have to thank you for your assistance, helping all the boys and girls to learn their multiplication tables. But it is time to find my next little multiplication expert. Let's see here. I see Dalton, Michelle, and oh, yes, I see Jace, Riley. Oh, there you are, Wesley. Come help a brother out with these terrific 2's.
As you wish. Hello everyone. My name is Wesley. Don't worry, Simple Simon. I've got your back. Let's go tackle some 2's.
Well, Wesley, they say don't count your chickens before they hatch. So, you can start us off by counting these dancing turkeys.
Okay, Simple Simon. I've heard there is a solution for every equation. Simply put, there's always an answer. So without further ado, let us multiply. 2 times 5 equals 10. 2 times 5 equals 10. 2 times 5 equals 10. 2 times 6 equals 12. 2 times 6 equals 12. 2 times 6 equals 12.
Everyone, hold on to your seats.
2 times 7 equals 14. 2 times 7 equals 14. 2 times 7 equals 14. 2 times 8 equals 16. 2 times 8 equals 16. 2 times 8 equals 16.
2 times 9 equals
18. 2 times 9 equals 18. 2 times 9 equals 18.
Elizabeth, Wesley, you two were the greatest. But you can rest assured that Mrs. Magical Caroline will be starting us off with our treacherous 3's.